Hi friends and welcome back to Trini Kids TV. My name is Auntie Shade and it's nice of you to join us today. Now let's get started with our circle time by singing the good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all our friends that are watching. Now, do we know the day of the week today? Well, if yesterday was Thursday, what's the day that comes after Thursday, friends? It's Friday. Yes. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Those are the days of the week. And we are in the month of February. February is our month that we are celebrating in. Now, let's say the 7-day song. Ready? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. And let's say the months of the year. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Wonderful friends. Now that we know all those things, I think it's time we find out about the weather for today. Let's start by singing our weather song. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can take a look out the window and see what kind of weather are we having today. Well, where Auntie is right now, it's a little cloudy today. Can you go and look outside and see what kind of weather you are having? What is it? Wonderful! That's really nice weather, right? So let's talk about our color of the day today. Our color of the day today is the color pink. Yes, pink is our color of the day. And we get the color pink when we mix red and white together and we get the color pink. Yes, let's talk about our shape of the day today. Our shape of the day today is a heart. Yes, a wonderful heart. We just celebrated Valentine's Day and today is our Cooking Friday. So we are going to do a nice little Cooking Friday activity using our shape of the day, the heart. Now, let's talk about our number of the day today. What's our number of the day? It's the number 3. Let's count to 3 together. Ready, friends? 1, 2, and 3. Good job. That's the number 3, our number of the day. Do you want to find out what our letter of the day is, friends? Well, take a look. Our letter of the day is the letter I. I for ice. I for ice cream. I for ibis. I. Yes, and that's a wonderful letter, isn't it? Did you learn some new words? Yes, and can you also think of some words that start with our letter of the day? Yes, there are lots of words that start with our letters of the day, right? Now, friends, let's talk about our area of the day today. Let's jump in our plane or hop in a boat and let's go to our area of the day today. Our area of the day today is Iceland. Iceland is a very beautiful landscape. It's known for its volcanoes, geysers, and hot springs, which are really amazing. It's a beautiful country. Iceland. Beautiful. Now it's that time. It's time for our lesson for today. And since today is a Friday and we have a cooking activity ready for you, we're going to do an activity that has something to do with Valentine's Day. Now we all know that Valentine's Day just went. Valentine's Day is normally celebrated on the 14th of February every single year. And it's a day that people use to express their love for one another. What are some things that gifts and presents that you might get on Valentine's Day? Well, you might see flowers, people might buy roses, they might buy chocolates, they might even buy teddy bears and other stuffed animals. And it's a wonderful day to share your love with all your family and friends and loved ones, right? So today we are going to make our cooking activity. All you would need is some popcorn. Yes, you can use some candies, some syrup, or if you have some white chocolate that you can melt, you can use whatever you have to make this activity. Now, let's take a look at how we make our candy popcorn activity for today. Alright friends, so for this activity, you're going to just use your popcorn. I have my popcorn here. Not too much, because I just have a bit of icing sugar that I'm going to use for my popcorn, right? And I'm going to just mix my icing sugar in there. See how well I can incorporate this. And I have my sprinkles as well. So I probably should add some of the sprinkles. Ooh! And continue to mix, and what I'm going to do is mold this popcorn into a little heart shape and just allow it to cool, so allow the icing to set up. If you're using chocolate, of course you can allow the chocolate to set. Alright, so now that I have most of the popcorn that has the icing on it, I'm going to just kind of mold it on my plate to look like our heart shape, right? Until it sort of looks like a heart. No, it doesn't have to be perfect, it's just for the fun of it. And what I'm going to do is just finish off with a little bit more of my sprinkles to make it look beautiful. Yes, these are Christmas tree sprinkles, but I still have from Christmas, but it looks great anyway, right? And colorful and beautiful. So I'm going to let this set. Alright, so now that I've pulled my popcorn from the refrigerator, you can see the results. We have a nice little popcorn bowl there that's shaped like a heart. And it tastes delicious. So enjoy this activity, friends. Well friends, I hope you had fun making your popcorn activity, and I know it is simply delicious, right? If you didn't make your activity yet, be sure to come back to this video again later and try making it with your mommy and daddy. Popcorn is a really fun snack. You can hear it, you can see it popping, you can smell it cooking, and of course you can taste it. So it's a food that you use all your 5 senses to eat and see and interact with. Alright? So I hope you enjoyed today's activity, friends, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to click the like before you go, and I'll see you. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe. The Limbo Dance. The Limbo Dance is a very popular dance, and it first was done as a slow dance or something like a ritual that was done in wakes or even funerals. Nowadays, the Limbo Dance is done with very lively music and colorful costumes, and you would see lots of limbo dancers with these bright costumes and pageantry. They would even have limbo dancers that go really low. Actually, our Guinness World Record holder, Shamika Charles, is from Trinidad and Tobago, and she holds the record for the lowest limbo. So that's really amazing. And you would also see some limbo dancers doing their limbo dance with poles that are on fire. So there are lots of different things that these limbo dancers can do.